Dom, I gotta tell you a story.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Are you ready? I ate all your candy while you were at school.
No, you won't.
Yes, I did. Look at your bag. Look in your bag.
I know it is.
I ate all your candy. I ate all your candy. I'm serious.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Look. Look. I ate all your candy.
No, you didn't. It's in the sack.
No, it's not. I ate it all.
Why?
Because I was hungry.
No, you didn't.
I did, though.
Tell me where it is.
I ate it all.
Whatever. I don't need candy anyway.
You don't?
It came for my teeth, and I want to be healthy.
You want to be healthy so you don't care about your candy anymore?
Nope.
I ate your brother's candy, too.
No, you didn't.
Where is it, then?
Hey!
Where is it?
Yeah.
I ate it all.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
I did. It's nowhere to be found. I ate it all.
It's not kissing.
Come here, buddy. Dom, come here. Come here, I gotta show you something. Come out from underneath the bed, I'll show you. Come here.
No, because all you're gonna do is blah, blah, blah.
Come here, I'll show you.
No, because you worry about kissing than me.
Do you want your candy back?
Yeah?
Then come here. Come here.
What way do I go?
Hi.
No.
No, come here. Look underneath the blanket.
It's not.
Is it there?
You freaking hide us. Freaking hide us.
Is it under there?
Yeah?
Let me see.
What?
Oh, your bed ate the candy.
No.
Are you mad at me still? Are you mad at me still?
I'm taking these.
Are you mad at me still?
Yummy. No.
Do you love me?
Yeah. What do you want?
Look at me. Would I ever take your candy and eat it all?
No.
Okay.
Because then you will get bigger and your belly will get bigger and bigger.
And you don't want that, right? But it's okay to have your belly be bigger and bigger?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you.
They do.
Dom, I love you. Dom,
What?
I love you.
I love you.
Do you love your
I
candy?
love thee.
Do you love your candy more than me?
Stop.
Do you love your candy more than me?
No, you.
You love me more?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have all your candy.
Because my candy isn't alive.
I love you.